made this trail about 6 months ago. And it's a little bumpy, but that's why I like it. You'll notice there's nobody riding with me today. There are not too many people that will ride this stuff. Very few. We'll attempt it. It's like surfing on shallow reefs. It's all you got. You're going to learn how to master it after a while. It's a good body workout. Get your cardiovascular up. Get your mind to thinking. Tightens up those hemorrhoids. This lava flow is about 600 years old. Been a few fires through here time to time, so all this weed stuff grows. Oh, there's a nasty crack right there. The idea is to keep the momentum up. Second gear, smooths out the ride quite a bit. Below is just too damn jerky. Gotta use the clutch, smooth out the bumps. Was originally a pig trail that I walked and tagged. Pigs usually take the path of least resistance. Got knocked off the line there a little bit. I'm back on it. Okay, now we're on an old four-wheel drive trail that's all overgrown. There's all manner of chunky rock underneath. the grass, just enough to knock you on your ass. There's one right there. Like I said, don't stop. Keep it going. Now we get into this overgrown Albizia forest. So the pigs like to hang out in here. Pigs and motorcycles. This is a good place for them. This is good Mauna Kea 200 training. Like I said, there ain't too many guys who want to come out here and ride this stuff. So this is the couch potato ride. I hope you got about a beer drink by now. Stay off them Doritos though. You'll end up with a 36-inch curve. Waistline. In here is pretty nasty when it rains. This shit is so slippery you wouldn't believe. Pigs have really been out here a lot. I can see the ground's all torn up. Okay, that was section 1. Let's go down to section 2 of Trail 69. And I was 69 years old when I laid that trail out. I'm 70 now. I think I just missed my turn, but I'll try it right here.